Hola artistas! Today I'm going to show you how to use shapes to draw people. Vámonos! We're first going to draw our person's head, la cabeza. What shape is a head? That's right, it's an oval. Is your head at the top or bottom of your body? So where should we draw it on our paper? That's right, the top. Should we draw our head somewhat small or really big? Let's keep it on the smaller side. Next, we need to draw the neck, el cuello. What shape is the neck? Yep, it's a rectangle. Is it grande o pequeño? Sí, es pequeño. Step 3 is to draw the body, el cuerpo. The body es un rectángulo. Which is bigger, your body or your head? Sí, tu cuerpo is much bigger. Then we have our legs, tus piernas. What shape does a leg look like? Yes, a rectangle. And how many legs do we have? Sí, tenemos dos piernas. Are our legs long or short? Sí, son largos. At the bottom of our legs, we have our feet. We can draw two small rectangles por nuestros pies. Next are the arms, los brazos. What shape should we use for los brazos? Yes, rectangles. Do our arms start at our shoulders or our bellies? Correct. Los brazos begin at our shoulders, which are at the top of our bodies. Our arms son largos and come down to the top of our legs. Finally, we have our two hands, nuestros manos. We can draw two circles pequeños for our hands. And there you have it. Usamos figuras para dibujar una persona. Ahora, all that's left is to add some distinguishing details. I can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, adios artistas!